Hi, in this video I will show you how to make 11 Labs voice laugh, cry, yell, or whisper. To start, we are already in the 11 Labs page. So we will do all the magic in the speech synthesis page right here. Here in the settings, we can choose pre-made voices of males or females. We can also adjust the clarity and stability of the voice. We can also choose model to use either monolingual or multilingual. To generate voice, we type by starting in an open or close parenthesis, followed by the phrase, sentence, or paragraph that you wish to generate. Let's try laughing.
Laughing, hey, you are funny.
It seems that it is not yet accurate. Let's try laugh
Laugh,
instead.
hey, you are funny.
It sort of changed the mood, but it is not exactly what we want. Let's try another one. Let's try to make it cry.
Cry, why is this happening?
Again, it's not accurate. Let's try
Crying,
crying.
why is this happening?
It's not accurate, but it changes every time we generate. Let's try one more time. Let's say whisper.
Whisper, come closer.
I think it's better.
Yell, come closer.
So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!